got a vacuum gauge, and I have it hooked up to the side of the throttle. I have it hooked up to the side of the throttle body, and I don't have the AFM hooked up to it. I did disconnect the filter so I can get space to it, but the gauge is reading 0. I'm gutting it out. It turns on and stays on like that. A little bit of smoke coming out, and it struggles to slowly jump into it. And now it's at 6, 7. So as soon as I hook it up, runs better. And look at this. Car dies at 12. All the hoses are hooked up to it. If everything hooked up, everything's good, no leaks. I'm just put in new plugs and a new cap. But besides that, I am clueless. I don't know why the car's not turning on.